Load your heaviest and bulkiest items first, right against the back wall of your trailer or vehicle, then work your way to lighter items last so they come out first. Unload in the exact reverse order you loaded, and always secure your syrup boxes and ice bins so they cannot tip during transport. Think of your drink stand like a puzzle where the biggest pieces go in first and the smallest pieces go in last. Your generator, your canopy frame, and your heavy cooler should always go in first because they are the hardest to move and the most likely to shift around during a drive. After that, load your tables and shelving since those are medium weight and need a flat surface to rest on. Then load your lighter supplies like cups, napkins, and syrup bottles last since those are the first things you will need when you arrive and start setting up. One trick most vendors never think about is using colored tape or labels on your bins so you instantly know what goes where without opening every single box. This saves you several minutes every single stop, which adds up to hours over a busy weekend. Another secret is keeping a folded moving blanket in your vehicle to wrap around your ice machine, since sudden stops can crack the plastic housing if it slides and hits something hard. One common mistake is stacking your ice bins on top of your syrup boxes, which can crush the tubing or crack a lid without you noticing until you're already at your event. Instead, always place ice bins on the floor and keep syrup boxes upright on a shelf or secured with a strap. Another mistake is not measuring your loading space ahead of time, which leads to wasted trips or items left behind. A quick fix is keeping a simple checklist taped inside your vehicle door so you glance at it every single time before you drive off. Lastly, people often forget to lock their wheels or wedge their cart before leaving it inside the vehicle, and that small shift during a turn can knock over an entire stack. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.